Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Bangin Gears. I'm your host Frank, and today we're at the Progressive International Motorcycle Show in beautiful Washington, D.C. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. While we're here, we're going to shoot a ton of footage. We're going to break it down to several different videos based on this show. So make sure you keep checking back for updates and new and upcoming content. So other than that, let's go around the show and let's see what we see.
All right, I want to welcome you guys to Discover the Ride. This is the primary feature of the Progressive International Motorcycle Show. My name is Robert Pandy. I've been lucky enough to get to work with this for the last couple of years. And what we saw with the International Motorcycle Shows is that there are a lot of people coming into the show. The broad assumption is if you come to the show, you're a motorcyclist already. But the reality is we have a ton of people who are not yet motorcyclists. This exercise basically came out of the realization that there were many non-licensed motorcyclists and inexperienced, non-experienced riders coming to the show. And what we genuinely needed was a true taste test experience. There are a bunch of different components of Discover the Ride. The kids zone over here, the Harley Davidson Kickstart is right over here. Yamaha has a similar program where these are motorcycles strapped down onto dynos where you learn how to shift through gears. You can't fall over on them. So that's all part of Discover the Ride. I don't want you guys to think that Discover the Ride is just this. That's all part of the bigger thing.
Hey everybody, my name is Drew. First off, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. This is a fun time for us. The DC show last year represented the first show after the turn of the year as well, I believe. And for me, it's kind of fun because we get to share a little bit of data from the previous year, at least on the bicycle side. But a lot of people wonder, what is Yamaha doing in the bicycle sector? Well, actually, Yamaha is actually credited with being the inventor of electric assist bicycles back in the 80s. So as part of the Discover the Ride series, our goal here is to obviously motivate people to try out two wheels of a motorcycle while also using the Yamaha product as well. So we have pedal assist technology, or power assist. So as you pedal the bicycle, it basically mimics the power you're creating and exaggerates it beyond that. The bikes here we have today, we have a Cross Connect, which is our urban utility bike, or e-tility. We also have our Cross Core, which is a fitness urban bike, drop bar road bike called the Urban Rush. Our YDX Torque is our hardtail mountain bike there. And then we also have our gravel bike called the Wabash. The e-bike sector is responsible for $69 million of growth in the cycling industry over the previous year. And that puts us in the top 10 of the sporting good categories for retail. So if you're ever thinking about buying an e-bike or looking at that market recently, it's probably because a lot of other people are doing the same thing, and it's kind of in your Facebook feed. From Zero.
One thing that is special about Zero is that not only are we a motorcycle company, we're also an EV company. And if you look at the national trends in that category, it's a totally different growth curve. In 2013, there were fewer than 5,000 electric vehicles, 2 or 4 wheel of all description, excuse me, sold in the United States. By 2018, that number was over 300,000. And if 2019 was a transformational, it was a watershed year for electric motorcycles. But also, we launched a couple of key marquee models. The SRF is our brand new for 2020 model. It's that one in a sea bright blue. It produces 140 foot-pounds of torque, under 500 pounds, and to be able to introduce it under $20,000, we're incredibly proud. So, and next to it is the, I can say confidently, the most capable dual sport electric motorcycle in the world. But that is similar to the SRF on the street side of things. That's really our pinnacle product. It's built off of a 14.4 kilowatt hour battery, so it'll get you around 160 miles of sub-highway speed range. And fully equipped with all the accessories, accessory bars, bash guards, obviously you can see the furniture on it, that adventure riders are looking for. Other than that, we do have a couple of things in the works, so please do not stray far from us.